So sometimes when you post a link to Facebook, you're going to find that the link is going to not show the right photo for that specific saved search. And so there's a way to make sure that the photo does show. So in this case, I'm going to show you two different ways. For this client, they're using the Divi theme. This is probably going to be the same for Avada and other similar themes. And your page wrappers are going to be under pages. In most cases, they're going to be under impress and wrappers. So what you need to do is you need to make a wrapper just for that one single saved search. So under impress, the way that most people are going to do it, you're just going to go to impress wrappers and you're going to click add wrapper. And you're going to give it a name. And in this case, it's waterfront homes for sale on Lake St. Clair. And then you're going to set your featured image. This is the image that you want to show up on Facebook. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my image. Let's see. There it is. Always make sure that you give it a title and that you copy that into the alt and description and set the featured image. Now, under here, you're gonna go ahead and type in the name, and if it's available, you'll see it show up right here, and you can click it and apply it, and then publish the page. And then once you're done publishing it, you're gonna wanna clear the site cache with WP Engine. You can do that under here. So you can just purge all caches. And then I always go to Impress Initial Settings as well. And refresh the plugin options here. And then additionally under Tools, if it's an equity site, I will clear the IDX cache and wrappers under this section. But this one isn't an IDX or an equity site, so it won't have those. The other version is the pages. So what I've done in this case is I've opened up one of my other wrappers. So I've opened up advanced search, and now I'm going to create the wrapper the other way. Now you only have to use one of these two methods. If you have Avada or Divi, you have to use this method. If you have equity, you use the first method, which is this one. So in this case, we are using Divi, so I'm going to go ahead and create the wrapper. It's going to be the same name. So waterfront homes for sale on Lake St. Clair. You'll notice that for this one, we do have code in here. So you have to put your IDXBroker start and stop tags. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to use the Divi Builder. I'm going to insert column. Actually, I should be able, yep, insert the column. So full width. And then I'm going to insert a module, and it's going to be text. And Avada is going to be very similar. Actually, no, wait. I should have a code model. Yeah, code. So we'll go ahead and paste the code in there and save and exit. And I'm going to delete the text one because I don't need that. And then right here, I'm going to set the featured image, which is just a screenshot of the page. I just literally took the waterfront homes on Lake St. Clair and took a screenshot of this image, and that's it. And then I saved, renamed the screenshot so that it was named the same waterfront homes Lake St. Clair as well. So I made sure that I named the image the same, put the alt and title tags in there before I uploaded it. So here's the image. I'm going to set the featured image, and let's make sure the template is the same. Yep, so there's no default template. We've already done these for you, so you should, by using the advanced search, I'm just double checking that all the settings are the same here as the new page that I'm making. So I'm going to go ahead, and the parent page of this should be wrappers actually. So notice over here that the parent is wrappers. So I'm going to make sure that this one is also wrappers. And then I'm going to publish the page. Okay, So now I'm going to right click and copy this link, or you can, view the page and view the page and then copy the link here. This is the wrapper. And in the first step, when you created the wrapper under Impress, you applied the wrapper here. But if you're doing this version, you have to actually apply the wrapper inside IDXBroker. So in here, we're to come to Waterfront Homes for Sale on Lake St. Clair. I'm under Design, Website, and Save Links. So here's my link. I'm going to come over here and click on Wrapper. I'm going to edit Wrapper. And I'm going to go to Save Links. And here's my link. I'm going to choose Dynamic, and I'm going to paste my link right in there and save the changes. And then I'm going to clear the wrapper cache. So now that I've done all that, I'm going to go back and I'm actually going to grab my waterfront link. Here's my waterfront link. Copy it. Then the easiest way to test this before you put it into Facebook is to go to the Facebook debugger tool. It's really easy to find. Just go to Google, type in Facebook debugger. I don't even save it anymore. I just type in Facebook debugger and it's right there. So click on it. Now paste your URL in and click debug. All right. So now it's telling me that it doesn't have the image, but you notice right here, time scraped, it was 8 minutes ago. So we're going to ask it to scrape again. So right now it's telling me that the image that it wants to pull could not be pulled out. So now we're going to go back to the site and we're going to clear the cache again. And then I'm going to go to this and I'm going to click on scrape again. And there you go. Now you have your image that matches the search, and you can take this link again and you can go to your Facebook page, and let's go ahead and delete this and delete that like we didn't do it. Paste it in. Oops, wrong link. Although it did pull it. Let me grab that link again. Okay. And I might have to start over. So let me refresh this. And there you go. Now you have your image and it worked. So that's the trick to getting around not having a specific image for a specific saved search, so that every time you post one of these links into your Facebook page to advertise it, it has a link that shows exactly what's on the page. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com.
Yeah, pero, yeah.